Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best racetracks for toddlers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Launch and Loop Raceway. This one has 2 car launchers that can both go at the same time, so your child can have their cars race either on their own or with a sibling or friend. It has loops, twists and turns, a trap door, and even a jump track. Plus, there's a crash zone for toddlers who want to see what happens when cars collide. This track has lights and sounds for a more interactive experience. It comes with 2 cars with little drivers sitting in them, so your toddler will be ready to race as soon as you put it together. Other car brands don't work as well on this track, but there are a ton of choices of Fisher-Price Little People wheelies that you can purchase quite inexpensively. Number 2. Our second best pick is Step 2 Up and Amp Down Roller Coaster Rapid Ride. This track is fun to build and each part is brightly colored. Unlike most car tracks where your child is guiding toy cars through it, this is full-sized and lets your toddler ride the car down the track. They'll be practicing their motor skills as well as learning to balance. It's easy to put together and take apart for storage. You can use this track indoors or outdoors and it's easy to wipe clean. You'll also get non-slip steps, so your child will be able to climb up and onto the car without too much assistance. The car itself has handles, footrests, and a high back to keep your child safe and secure while riding. On top of that, your child will love rolling balls on the track or practicing their balance walking up and down the track. If you're keeping this outside, it does hold water at the dip, so you'll need to dry it off or keep it covered when it rains or if it's near sprinklers. Indoors, you obviously won't have this problem. Number 3. Our third best pick is VTech Go. Smart Wheels Park and Amp Learn Deluxe Garage. This elaborate playset features hours of interactive fun via music, sound effects, lights, and buttons. Ideal for toddlers as young as 18 months, 1 or more children can play with the Smart Wheels Garage at a time. Your tot will enjoy playing with this toy for hours on end, and additional sets and cars can be purchased to expand the play experience. In fact, even the Go! Smart Animals playsets are compatible with this garage, which make fun animal noises as they glide over the tracks. Other toy cars like Matchbox and Hot Wheels can be used as well. The sound effects can be pretty noisy, but there's an off switch on the bottom of the cars. Parents wishing to engage their younger toddlers with an interactive and expandable first racing track set. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is VTech Go! Smart Wheels Ultimate Amazement Park Playset. This one is large all on its own, but it is also compatible with other VTech racetracks to make it even bigger or longer. It features 2 different starting ramps that both conveyor into different paths, giving your child endless amounts of fun and excitement. It has steep slides, loops, and twists and turns. There are 8 locations that trigger sounds from the cars, as well as buttons that your child can press to play music and phrases. It comes with 1 car that will teach your toddler the letter R and the name of the vehicle. You can purchase other VTech cars for different sound options, but Hot Wheels and other brand cars will work too. Other brand cars will work for this track, but you won't get the benefit of the interactive sound triggers. Parents that want a large set that's interactive and expandable. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is VTech Go! Smart Wheels Revved Up Raceway. This set is loads of fun at a really great price. There are 2 launching stations, a spinner that your child can control, and tons of sound effects. There's even a little service station with an elevator that vaults the car back into the race. This track is compatible with other VTech tracks and can be expanded into whatever size you want. It plays songs, sounds, and phrases and has 3 different trigger points around the track. This set only comes with 1 car, so you'll have to purchase more if you'd like to have them race. Parents looking for a fun, interactive racetrack at an affordable price. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.